Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we're going to go over how you'd replace your dome light in your 2019 Nissan Rogue. And so to do this we need to pop this off here with a nice small screwdriver. If you pop this side down, that side off, and then that way you gain access to your light bulb here. There's a little metal tab, pull it to the side, the light bulb will fall out. And this light bulb for your dome light is a 3175. So you get a new light bulb for it. Put the end in on that side. Fit, turn it on, double check that it's working. Then take your cover. You see it's got a little lip here, tab. You're going to want to slide that up in there, kind of hinge it up in there, and then just press on it to snap it into place. So that's how you change your dome light on your 2019 Nissan Rogue. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.